My name is Jim Coleman. I'm a Senior Engineering Director for Trimble's Innovation and Technologies Group. I generally think about BIM. BIM has been a real game changer, and we've seen it sprinkled through the last 5-6 years. And with BIM comes the digitization of everything construction. So out of that, we're getting a ton of information, a ton of data. And I think that would be the biggest change. Yeah, Internet of Things is a fascinating topic because it includes so many things. You can lump the Trimble sensors into that family. Very basic sensors, just temperature, those fit into that group. But all of them contribute to that larger data story that we find in the construction industry. So. That's a really good question. For me, technology in construction is found in the amounts of data that we're actually creating. So cybersecurity essentially takes care of all the data that we're generating. We know that we need to share that data to become more efficient, and quite simply, locking it down and making sure that the right people get that data is the job of cybersecurity. IT is just the collection of technologies, right? And then when we talk about cybersecurity, we're talking about the securing of those technologies and the data that comes in and out and how we actually interact with it. The pros, obviously, we want to lock our data down. We want to control it from being accessed from bad actors. We want to promote the notion of it being used by good actors. Where we're talking about cons, it's really in the development process that I experience the cons. It's because we have all of these monitoring tools. They really slow things down. So it really has impacted, historically, development velocity. Again, it's necessary, but finding that balance. Cybersecurity in construction is no different than any other industry, where we really have to lock down that data that we're producing. As we've discussed, data continues to grow. Cybersecurity needs to also grow with it and become more mature. It's interesting, AI and cybersecurity, because it really relates to data. And today we find AI in the creation of that data, the manipulation of that data, and it's really not a question. It's not should we, it's how do we. And cybersecurity is no different. It's not a question of do we, it's how do we. The nature of cybersecurity is double-edged because you have bad actors and good actors. For Trimble, it's very important that we partner with well-known good actors on the inside that can help us secure the data sets that we know are getting big, especially for our customers. The double-edgedness of it is this notion that the bad actors also have access to the similar toolings. So it's not, from a Trimble perspective, that we are relying on our own internal understanding of security. We partner up, but use best practices to help keep the bad actors out.